Welcome to the SUNY Adirondack Library's tutorial on how to find electronic books using our search box. Electronic books originally appeared as print books, but we've bought them in electronic format. These are great to read if you're off campus. So I put in a subject right here, college students. I'm going to browse down here to the drop down for ebooks. Here's our number of results. You can use various limiters. Look through the results right here. Click on one that looks interesting. Here's the title. Here's the citation. You can email the result yourself if you'd like. Here's a little bit more about the book if you want to see what it's about. Usually has a table of contents. Here is the link to the book itself. So click that. And here you go. There's the full text of the book. As you browse down here, you can upload individual chapters. That's really handy. If you have any questions about using ebooks, please let a reference librarian know. Thanks.